Hey folks, JD here, and again, of course, I'm out with the Fimi A3. I just can't help it. I'm so stunned by how well this thing flies. It was like the first time I ever flew the Zeno. I then flew it constantly, and once again, I'm doing the same with the Fimi. Today, I'm hoping to get a little bit of distance. So I don't want to go crazy, but at the same time, I would like to get a little bit of distance flight in, just so that we can see maybe a little bit more of the field and get a bit more of a feel for this quadcopter, maybe at a bit of distance. I've got a full working view of the screen here. It's a lovely, well, still-ish morning, and I'm going to take this guy out and we're going to have a little look and see. Now, its return to home height is at 30 meters. That has not altered. So all I'm going to do here, hopefully, I'm going to just bank her over a little bit to the left there. I am just, unless I see somebody, I am just going to keep her flying. So what am I at now? I'm at a height of 14 meters. Now, because these trees are quite high, I'm going to increase my altitude there to 20. I've got distance of 170, 180. I've still got full transmission. I've still got full... Ooh, in saying that, I just had a little bit of a breakup at 223 meters. Let's see how we do. Oh, bit of breakup, 254, 260, 270. I can still see the quads. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there at 3. Oh, I've still got a little bit of... There we are, I've still got a little bit of range left. 328. It's looking nice. I mean, what more could you want, really? I mean, you've got a quadcopter here, which you've got ample distance on. I've just turned her around at 374 meters, and I'm just bringing her back. I'm going to increase the speed a bit because she's flying into the wind there. Oh, there's one guy in the field. He is very far away from me, which is good, but he's over 200 meters away. Here it comes. Can see it. God, this thing shifts. And you know what? It's just so lovely to see it just absolutely not a care in the world, just cutting straight through this breeze. Just to give you some sort of an idea, we have a breeze here today of coming in for up to 12 miles an hour, and you would never think it flying this little thing. I'm not going to go back that way because there's a guy walking his dog there and I want to maintain the legal distance away from him, so I'm going to go the other way. I'm going to go the other way where I can, and you know what, I've still got full FPV, so we went up to 300 odd, and again, no problem at all, and it's great. I can see it just above the tree line. It's looking remarkably well. It's just great. There I am again. Here it comes, just in front. Oh, and again, those LEDs, the white LEDs, are just piercing. So piercing. Let's take her back around. I'm not trying to do a stupid distance. I'm still trying to keep it, you know, well within legal limits, but at the same time, I did want to see what it was like going at a little bit of height and just seeing how well it responds and a little bit of distance. You know, I'm not trying to do anything crazy. I mean, that's not how I fly. I just want to get an idea for the technology. Oh, kind of lost a little bit of signal there, and I've had to alter my my antenna. I like to have them at a 45 degree. It's how I usually find quadcopters fly better at them, just a little way over 45, and I've got them straight at the second, so I'm going to move them back to 45. Oh, is that a crow? Is it a pigeon? Oh, it's much lower than I am anyway, so that's fine. That's absolutely fine. Oh, such a nice morning. What better time than to take it for a flight? Right, I think that guy is coming up on my right, so what I'm gonna do, folks, is I'm gonna down this bird while there's a guy coming closer to me, because very soon he's not gonna be 150 meters away, and I don't want that to be the case. I want to fly as responsibly as possible. So I'm going to bring her down and I'll take her back up as soon as the gentleman passes. Okay, let's move it down. Okay, I think I just saw him leave. I saw somebody leave. So I'm going to just take it slow in case I see anybody. If I do, I'm going to have to bring it down. But, right, okay, so where were we? A bit of distance, yes. We've gone out a bit in front of us. We've gone out a bit to our... sorry, behind us. Now I'm going to go back up to about 23 meters, 26 meters. There we go. And I'm going to fly a little bit that way for a change, just so we can have a quick little look. You can see all the difference in trees, the conifers, the silver birch, the oaks, everything there just looking really beautiful. I'm not going to go too far because the battery is low. I'm just going to scoop this tree line a little bit. Look at that. Lovely. I do love a little bit of nature. Perfect, there she is right above me, and out we go. Let's alter that gimbal again. Yeah, I am alone in the field. There we go. Oh, it's just tremendous. Just absolutely is tremendous. Right, I'm going to bring this one back. I didn't have a full battery when I took this out. I didn't expect this to be a longish video. I expected it to be quite a reasonably short video. And it's coming in for 7 minutes and I've got a low battery, but as I say, I didn't fully charge it before I left. It was the spare battery I had that I had fully charged the last time when I flew, so I was just using that one. So there we are, perfect, lovely. Well, that's good enough for me, folks. I'm happy getting a little bit of distance out of her, seeing exactly what we've got around the place. And the screen has held up well. As much as I want to berate the screen for it just being the most ridiculous thing on the planet, it held up really well. But then, as you can see, we've got not really an extremely bright day, but again, I have full, as I'm sure you can see as well, I have full visibility of this screen without there being any problems whatsoever. So I'm pretty happy with that, to be fair. I mean, it doesn't really get any better than that. I'd much rather have that. I have got a couple of accessories that I have been printing. Come on, there we go. That I have been printing that I'm going to show you soon to do with this. I'm just going to space the videos out a bit. That's all, folks. All right, okay, great. There we are, my friends. I'm really happy with that. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and ring that bell too. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.